Hey there fellow car nerds, welcome back to MG Guy Vintage Vehicles. Greg here with a new kit car vehicle video showcasing some of the hottest vehicles available for sale across North America this week. You'll find links in the video description below for each of these vehicles. Alright, enough talk, let's get on with today's kit car vehicles for sale. Alright, we're going to start north of the border today with this 1937 Fiat Hot Rod, listed for $29,000 Canadian in Aurelia, Ontario. It is an automatic transmission, and from the seller's description, Topolino fiberglass body hot rod with a 427 big block Chevy, street legal, willing to trade for a convertible, titled as a rebuilt 1937 Fiat. And up next we have this 1974 Turan Super Shark, listed for $7,000 US in Bullhead City, Arizona. Its condition is listed as used good, and from the seller's description, 1974 Turan Super Shark, 6-cylinder Chevy Corvair engine, runs great, new clutch, new brakes, new custom-made fuel tank and lines, new wheels and tires, all glasses intact, and I have the original bubble side mirrors, runs and drives great. Frame is bending, so we'll need support or replacement. Needs some custom seats and a good paint job. Okay, here we have a 1923 Track T Ford, listed for $14,000 US in Marianna, Florida. Its condition is listed as used good, and from the seller's description, 1923 Track T 2.3 4-cylinder Ford, 3-speed automatic, 9-inch forward rear, 4-wheel disc brakes, floor shifter, possibly trade for a Ford-powered Ford. Alright, here we have a 1966 VW Dune Buggy, listed for $22,000 US in Marietta, Georgia. It is an automatic transmission, and from the seller's description, 1966 full custom buggy, 100% street legal, titled as a 1966 VW, right-hand drive, 2332cc engine, 4-speed highway transmission, disc brakes, roll cage, $22,000 trade value or make me an offer, clean title. And here we go north of the border again, a 1994 Excalibur Roadster, listed for $39,000 Canadian in Parksville, British Columbia. It's been driven 41,832 kilometers, and from the seller's description, 1994 replica of an Excalibur by Excellence Motor Products, built on a General Motors chassis and powertrain, 305 V8 with automatic, fully road legal, safety inspected, everything works.
Quick walk around. Kelmark GT, 1981 body, 1969 VW titled.
And here we have a 1981 Kelmark GT, listed for $16,900 US in Cape Coral, Florida. Its condition is listed as used like new, and from the seller's description, 1981 Kelmark GT, Ferrari 246 dyno lookalike, 2110 VW motor with dual Weber carbs and solid lifters, custom exhaust, 4-speed manual shifter, 4-wheel disc brakes, roll bar, built on a 1969 VW frame with solid steel floor pans, no oil leaks, runs great. Alright, here's a project, a 1973 Bradley GT body, listed for $800 US in Madison, Wisconsin. It is a manual transmission, well, apparently not, and listed in fair condition. From the seller's description, early Bradley GT kit car, uncut body, the fiberglass is in okay shape, the front end would need some reinforcing, the dash is uncut and in good shape, comes with the following: rear hatch plexiglass that came with the car, driver side and passenger side doors with hinges and latches, 4 original taillights, 2 rear bumpers, 2 front signals. It includes a copy of original directions and wiring diagrams from Bradley. Alright, here we have a 1967 replica Austin Healey 3000, listed for $28,000 US in Corpus Christi, Texas. Its condition is listed as used good, and from the seller's description, 350 cubic inch engine, new seats, new custom wood dash, tonneau cover, convertible, automatic transmission. Okay, here we have a 1929 Lincoln Roadster, listed for $14,500 US in Sevierville, Tennessee. It's been driven 10,300 miles, has a manual transmission, and from the seller's description, 1921 Lincoln Roadster made by Bremen Minimark in 1979, built on a VW chassis with VW drivetrain, 1600cc engine, factory hardtop body. Alright, here we have a second vehicle sent in by viewer Andy. Thank you very much, Andy. A 1968 Dune Buggy listed for $9,000 US in Cuba City, Wisconsin. It's been driven 35,667 miles, has a manual transmission, and a clean title. From the seller's description: Volkswagen Dune Buggy, titled as a 1968 VW Beetle. Body style is Diablo fiberglass, 4-speed, roll bar, 1600 dual-port VW air-cooled engine, headers and pipes out back, street legal, all new brakes all around, no trades. Okay, so that's it for today's vehicles. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are enjoying my content, please consider becoming a channel member by clicking the join button below or using the link in the channel details below the video. For about the price of a cup of coffee per month, you'll not only be helping me produce these videos, but you'll have access to each and every video before they go live on YouTube, usually around 24 hours ahead of the videos going live. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.